Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Hope you are all doing well. The Dan-Ger keeps on growing. We've gained a few more subscribers and it's all good, and I really do appreciate everybody who hits that button. So today we're going to be making a Dutch breakfast cake, but you can eat it any time of the day. But breakfast maybe not be the best time. And it looks like a bit of a Jamaican ginger cake. It actually has ginger in it. But anyway, enough of my waffling. Let's get to it and start mixing the ingredients. So it's jingle time. So here we go. There's not really many ingredients. You're going to need some dark brown sugar, but I've only got the light brown sugar and I need to use it up, and I ain't racist. We've got self-raising flour, baking powder, and the ginger, and we've also got to have cardamom, but I could only find the cardamom pods, so I'm going to have to find a way of grinding that up. And also you're going to need the full fat moo juice, aka milk. So let's get mixing the dry and then add the wet. So we have 250 grams of self-raising flour. Get in there. 250 grams of the dark brown sugar, light brown. Look at that, that's a lot of sugar. You're going to need a whole tablespoon of the ginger. So if I can get it on there. It's a bit lumpy, but is that about, I think that's about a tablespoon. There we go. Right, I can get the lid off. Right, we need teaspoon of the baking powder. Wow, there's not a lot in there now. And there. Right, so move that over. Look, I've got a couple of pods and I'm just going to squeeze them with my bare hands and crush them. There we go. Just got to get rid of the shell. Oh, when you're strong like that, you don't need a pestle and mortar. And right, so get that out. So there's your cardamom, that goes in there in the bowl. So this is actually what is inside the pod that you have. These looks a little bit like rabbit droppings. Cool, isn't it? I love knowing where my food comes from. Just think, back in the day this used to be transported on big ships across the sea. I mean, it still is, but container ships are a little bit different from sailing ships. So we have all the dry stuff mixed, and then we're going to bring in a saucepan and add 250 millilitres of moo juice, and we're going to heat that up, but you don't want it boiling, you want it warm. So I'll go and do that now and we'll be right back. Right, so we've got the boiling, well, not boiling, slightly, or just before boiling milk. Let me pour that in, and then we're going to fold it. It says don't overwork it. Just gotta make so it all comes together. Oh, getting a nice colour to it. It's a bit lumpy, but I'm not sure if it's supposed to be lumpy, because it's the first time I've ever made it. How does that look like? Does that look like sick? Or does it look nice? I can smell the ginger. Oh, it's going to be lovely. Now all you've got to do is tip that into your cake tin. So you get your cake tin. Here's one I've buttered up earlier, or you can use parchment paper. And we've got to put the mixture in there. Oh yes. Oh my god, it's steaming from the hot milk. Now in the recipe it says to sprinkle pearl sugar on it, but I searched high and low and I couldn't find the stuff. When I say high and low, I checked 2 supermarkets and then I gave up. So now we're going to stick this bad boy in the oven, which you can probably hear the fan whirling away. So it says to put the oven on 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit and leave it for an hour, but check after 50 minutes. But you won't need to check on it, because next time you see this, it'll be cooked. Right, so here it is, everyone. Look at that, look at it. Oh, now is it going to come out the tin? That is the question. Get yourself a plate, maybe a slight knife around the edge. I should really get parchment paper, shouldn't I? Oh, it does, it feels quite loose. That, and then a quick tap. No, that's not working, is it? Join me in a second. Oh, there you have it, look, it come out the tin perfectly. Just don't turn it over, that's all I can say. And now we're going to slice her up and try a bit. Oh, still slightly warm as well. Oh, nice and crusty. Oh yeah, look at that. So here it is, look. Oh, a bit of, oh, it does smell exactly like Jamaican ginger cake. Oh, but how will it taste? Ginger, probably. Oh. Oh wow. It's very dense. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. Have I done it wrong? I've never made this before. Let me know in the comments. But you can really taste the ginger and the crust, because there's a lot of sugar in it. It's very sweet, but then it gives it that nice crispy crust on the outside. Oh, shouldn't be eating too much though because of that sugar, but it's very, very nice. Oh, and the smell. So I think it's from the cardamom, because when I was breaking the cardamom up, it releases this smell, and it was just, oh, straight up those nostrils. That's lovely. But I'm going to be giving this to other people as well, so I'm not going to eat the whole thing. So that'll do it for this time. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hope you enjoyed watching, and try it for yourself. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you all next time. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe out there. Cheery bye.